But the rule was कि first rule you will as if you are a part of that distribution you will not talk to girls. So as a result when I got selected I actually had to break up with my girlfriend. यार उतना मतलब दिमाग में था पेरेंट्स को तो बोल रहे नहीं वो इस जगह जाना है this जगह will like give you give you that ठीक है and I broke up with my girlfriend okay.
यार शांति से सेक्स कर लेता.
Shut up and sit down.
Okay.
What's up, guys?
What's up?
Fuck off man.
We have to introduce him. Who is this guy who's talking?
Yeah.
No, I mean,
Who the fuck am I?
let's
So this
welcome.
guy in this fancy PJs.
चद्दर लग रहा है वो.
Let's welcome Rahul.
Hi, Rahul.
Bhatt. He's been a close friend since MBA. Like, we started talking.
I don't want to know your story. Just like, who is this guy?
This is Rahul Bhatt.
Hi, Rahul Bhatt.
Hi.
Hi.
Who's she?
She's Sanjay.
Hello.
What's she doing in the corner? Are we filming her?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, what a jip.
So-
Hi. So basically, I think I'm the new guy here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We are going to be mean to you.
Yeah. 500 podcasts you did together.
Yeah.
How does it feel to include somebody else? You know,
Uh,
somebody from the outer space.
outer
It's-
space.
Like
It's
outer
like
space.
it's like Bollywood people feeling somebody coming inside.
Yeah.
Like that. We had this whole
Nepo thing
Like
going on.
Kumar Rao.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So not from Gurgaon, but I'm based there. So yeah.
Delhi is the same.
It's not the same.
Ayushman Khurrana coming and taking all
You're
the-
not from Mumbai, are you? That's how it's not the same.
I am on the
My man
outskirts.
from Thane represents. It's a municipal corporation.
605.
bro, right?
605.
605.
Yeah, but Thane is a good place to stay.
Yeah, it is. It is.
Yeah.
Good.
I was having this conversation with her the first time I met her. You know what she said? I was like, okay, because I'm an outsider. Like, describe Thane. First thing she said, she's like, parking का space मिलता है. That's great. That's a.
Where do we get parking space out here?
Yeah, especially in Mumbai.
Yeah, man.
भाई थाने में तुम किधर भी करो.
Mumbai, by the way. Goregaon is not Mumbai.
Are you mad? It is Mumbai.
Where she lives is not Mumbai. Mumbai ends in
It's
Amula.
better than Mumbai. भाई तू रहता है कांजूर मार्ग. Vikhroli.
Right next to
Jo.
Powai. Confluence of Ghatkopar, Sakinaka.
That's Kanjur Marg, right next to Powai.
Kanjur Marg East.
Represent.
083.
Yuck. Zero. Oh.
Yeah.
Came
मेरा
up with the name Goregaon. Like Goregaon. Gore लोग का गाँव.
Some racist fuck.
Some racist fuck.
Like गाँव रहेगा, but तुम लोग सब गोरे हो जाओ.
how's been the week?
Yeah,
The
it's-
week.
It's been good work, which I absolutely love. I just don't want the week to end, man.
Appraisal आ रहा है?
So,
Appraisal आ रहा है?
Everyone is behind my ass saying that कि appraisal ये महीना क्यों नहीं है. मैं बोला कि seniors लोग ने approve नहीं किया, उसके बाद मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ?
Say good things. तेरा भी appraisal आ रहा है ना?
I hope.
Good things.
I hope.
Love my job. ऐसे बोल.
वही सब करना पड़ेगा अभी. Fuck all.
करके देखना.
Just do this. Love my. Just do this. Love my job.
job, guys.
In time 9 o'clock. Out time 8:30.
Saturdays,
Five.
bro, I love my work so much.
Yeah, I go on
They don't
Saturdays.
call me.
10% raise. 12%. 12 to him because he loves his job.
For
10 to me.
extra.
Yeah.
Why?
You said fuck, and then you were like, oh, I like my.
It's 10 on 10, bro. Chill. I'm just too good. Can't catch me.
Shut
Anyway, she's wearing this bright
Orange.
orange, which is sticking right into my face.
It's called being the ray of sunshine
Also,
in this.
cloak of safety in this word.
Also, fraud people wear it.
Oh,
No, he just said cloak of safety, bro. Nobody can do shit to me.
Which is why they're doing frauds.
Yeah,
They're safe.
yeah, exactly.
Can't touch you.
No, so you know who am I talking about, Ravi?
Some Baba, yaar.
Some Baba, yeah, exactly.
देखो fraud से क्या समझ
Fraud or orange, क्या समझ में आएगा?
You can't go wrong.
Yeah, it's Baba.
Yeah, enough said, bro.
The ruckus these people have like put down in recent days. क्या कर रहा है ये मतलब कुछ भी.
It's also crazy how it's very accepting. The society is okay with it. They're actually condoning it. That's how these guys are able to do all these frauds because such huge audience behind them, right?
पैसे वाले.
They do a couple of magic tricks and the people are like, yo.
Paisa तो they're making off of it.
Off of rich people also.
Paisa is like a byproduct, but how it began is like their influence and the shit that they do, which people like.
But you think they do this out of because they are narcissist and उनको लगता है कि I should like control every fucking person over here.
So these are the people I think they have realized it in a very younger time. Like उनका young मतलब पहले से realize किया कि ये लोगों को hope पे खेला जा सकता है. ठीक है.
Absolutely correct. They just I don't like. I'm not calling them very smart, intellectually smart as it. Like, but I think they like मौके पे चौका वाला thing because they saw this is huge in India. Okay? This is huge in India. Like religion is huge, everything all that. It's very ingrained. मतलब लोगों को you can't talk somebody out of their religion. मतलब like it's they believe in it absolutely. There are these superstitions that they believe in, religion, these faiths that they have. They just tapped into it.
But belief is fine. It gets creepy after it crosses that line. Like, तुम believe तुम्हारा है fine, everybody has faith. But believing in a human who you think knows everything.
No,
and
so I mean, if you see our ancient India, our culture, all these Babas, Rishis, sages, they were very learned people. I mean, in log. They used to read a lot of scriptures. They used to be learned in maths. They used to be learned in science. काफी subjects में उन लोग का मतलब knowledge था which they used to transfer. Which is why people used to respect them. They used to go. They used to give Guru Dakshina in some form or the other. ठीक है. And they used to learn मतलब under their feet. उनका सेवा करते थे. ठीक है. And they have taken that concept and they are portraying themselves as if they are that learned. ठीक है. उनको भी पता भी नहीं है कि zero आर्यभट्ट ने invent किया. I mean, these are those kind of people, and they are just spreading, religion, hope.
I think these people just used to be way nicer and genuine people
Back
in the day.
Yeah.
Abhi, some point of time, because then everything was very normal. Garibi was normal. They were okay and satisfied with what they had. Like itna greed nahi tha is what I've read and what's there. But abhi at some point in time, paisa, power, that came into the picture, and that's what obviously spoils people.
पर
saw it as an opportunity.
भाई तू बोल रहा है poverty and all is fine. They were old times. They were not rich, poor थे, and then they had somebody to look up to, these sages and everything. But अभी के time में people with money are also like भाई सबका एक बाबा रहता है, like Gurujis they call them.
Now they've gotten so much money, they're scared of losing it.
So you think?
Yeah.
That's one. But do you think they are also like giving money to these babas just so that उनका black money चला जाए किधर तो?
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. See, I think it is more of a belief. ठीक है.
इतना?
So, मैं भगवान तो if you go to any very big temple like Tirupati or Jagannath, you be in that vicinity for 15 minutes. You will see people opening the gold chains and throwing us a necklace like 6-7 तोला का मतलब necklace में फेंक रहा है. ठीक है. पैंट क्या इतना बड़ा वो फेंक रहा है भगवान के सामने.
Especially in the south.
In the south. ठीक है.
It's huge in the south.
Yeah.
Gold reserves, bro. There are temples with huge ass gold. Right.
And that is the belief that these babas have caught upon. So what I think is, for example, you're a rich person. You want कि like तेरा पैसा तेरे साथ रहे, तेरा business बढ़े. So you will go and approach somebody whom you think is knowledgeable. That is me, and I have convinced you that I am very knowledgeable.
भाई CA के पास जाओ. Go to a bloody.
Exactly, which is where I differ. It's not knowledgeable. It's just your faith, your fear of losing it, and also, it's like you just go there. You think it's a safe space for you. You feel good. And तुझे लगता है तू इतना कमा रहा है, but you have this feeling back of the mind कि अगर मैं थोड़ा donate, it's like donation but to the God. So now you're like, अच्छा मैंने इतना काम किया बुरा, donate कर दिया, चढ़ावा कर दिया. That's what you do.
No, but these people have a past, and for somebody like who's educated, people with money, how can they be so blind into giving their money to such a person?
Now, I will just, like I have recently seen a Malayali movie. What is the name of the actor who plays the policeman in Pushpa? Last one?
Last में था
हाँ.
this bald guy.
This bald guy, yeah.
Mallu. F से
F से-
Fahad Fazil I guess.
हाँ,
Fahad
yeah.
Fazil.
So that guy,
Probably.
I mean, he plays a movie where he wants to become a good orator, a stand-up comedian. उसका aim रहता है कि मेरे को लोगों को हंसाना है, मेरे को लोगों को मतलब inspire करना है, ठीक है? So or a like motivational speaker. So he is good at what he is doing, but he's not able to attract audience. So there's this group of rich people who come, who tell that कि तू अभी हम लोग का priest बनेगा, ठीक है? So वो priest बना, alright. And he started talking to people, he started giving that Bible ka gyan and everyone to the masses. And within those masses, these rich people arranged a show. A crippled lady is coming and he's just putting his hand on her and she's like walking away. Alright, so that kind of, like created that belief कि हाँ ये so भगवान को लेकर हम लोग क्या believe है कि भगवान को हम लोग का स्कोप के बाहर की चीजें को पूछते हैं कि हमको ये मिल जाए, काश कोई मिरेकल हो जाए, ठीक है? एंड व्हेन पीपल सी दैट मिरेकल बीइंग परफॉर्म्ड, अ स्टंट बीइंग परफॉर्म्ड, लाइक बैक एंड में जो भी मतलब हुआ होगा in front of their eyes, they start believing in that person and they put their faith and then word of mouth goes in and they're like कि भाई ये बाबा तो क्या है कुछ, ठीक है?
वही ना, वो यीशु वाले लोग ऐसे EDM जैसा डांस करते
It's an
हैं.
actual thing also.
Yeah.
Right.
But it's placebo.
Predicting.
It's a placebo, na? What happened? They plant people and then some of it
They
is
plant
placebo.
people, They plant people. They make money off of it. Then they plant people, and they make more money. And that's how they keep bootstrapping all of it. Do you think any of these miracles is happening? No.
Of
No.
course not.
So there's just, I mean, it's a sham, bro. It's just a sham. जिसमें religion का नाम दे दिया, भगवान का नाम दे दिया, and एक higher power है which is enabling me to do all of this. So he's acting like the higher power in those people's. He's like most of these people. You know what they say? They say I am like a messenger.
Yeah.
Messenger of God, by the way. Shout out to this
Guru Ram Rahim.
That guy, he made 2 movies, right?
And you know what he's doing in those films, bro? He's doing fucking stunts and all bike पर. गांड फाड़ एकदम ऐसा.
भाई वो रोमांस भी कर रहा है, वो फिल्म में रोमांस कर रहा है, हीरो बन रहा है.
Have you seen his chest hair? It's like curly chest hair. उसका मतलब ऐसे एक एक
इतना ध्यान से नहीं देखा, but हाँ, it sticks right
भाई वो
in.
Six right into eyes.
Curl-
curly.
कर्ल मशीन लेके वो कर्ल करता है अपने बाल.
Yeah, he goes out of the way, bhai. Like he's putting
But-
in extra hours.
You know when it came, that video came first, उसका कॉन्सर्ट था लव चार्जर. People went nuts.
Charger.
हाँ, you are my love. अरे bro, people went nuts and memes बन रहे थे उस पे. Till that time, nobody knew that this guy had committed such huge frauds, rape cases, tax का कुछ तो था. And जब भी आया तभी भी people are so dumb कि तुमको 10,000 लोग बोल रहे कि इसने ऐसे किया है. How the fuck are you still believing in this guy?
That's what this
I mean,
country does to
when
me.
she mentioned rape, मेरे दिमाग में आया कि rape जो है ना KR है ये बाबा लोग का, ठीक है?
हाँ.
आजकल के बाबा लोग का.
KRA रहता है उनका.
की responsibility, ये rape करना है. नहीं किया तो मतलब पैसा कहाँ से है?
Fraud.
Fraud.
करना है. Fraud 20%, rape 20%.
I think it also comes
चूतिया बनाना
from
20%.
the fact that it's easier to fool people here because they're just all believing. भाई तुमको कोई आके also I'm not like not against but most families have these gurus, right?
Yeah.
Like they don't worship them, but they like really believe in them. A lot of people go back to them and they take advices and all. Financial advice लेते हैं bro.
Yeah.
They don't go to a fucking like she mentioned CA. I mean, उनका higher power is that बाबा. If he says, जैसे for example, great classic example, एकता कपूर, right? ऐसा 2K लगा दो, 4K.
You
all
know,
that.
Ekta Kapoor in that Balaji telefilms, a friend told me she used to work there. Non-veg is not allowed,
Great.
but you can smoke inside. Like when you enter, there is a shrine of gods, and you can smoke in the office, but you can't eat non-veg. Like it's a no-go. Like no, not at all.
Which is weird because different kinds of people are there, right? बहुत लोग नहीं prefer.
And it's a media agency, dude. People will you will find a lot of people from different walks. But you were saying about these rich guru men
I
people.
felt that smile on me.
Yeah. It's a funny thing. So I have 2-3 people on my Instagram who are like from well-to-do families, filthy rich. Once I saw this story of one of my friends. Usne na, she'd put like a picture of this guy. It was a shrine. and it was decorated with flowers एकदम ऐसे, and मेरे को लगा somebody passed away from her family. तो मैंने उसको बोला sorry, my condolences, RIP. And she's like, bro, what the fuck, he's my guru. भाई उसको and he's alive. He's alive.
Bro, they have these as a mini pilgrimage type and shrines, and people visit them like once or twice a year, maybe more depending on how strong your faith is, and they absolutely follow him. Like, matlab, of course, they're doing their general work, regular day-to-day work, but once in a while, they, especially when they're not, doing well.
Yeah, but if you see these people, they have created these huge ass buildings like palaces. I mean, औरंगजेब शाहजहां भी इतना ताजमहल नहीं बनाया, को उतना पैसा खर्चा करके उन्होंने मतलब इतना बड़ा बनाया है shrine. So the entire thing is कि you make a place which people visit. For example, we are living in this house. Tomorrow we go to some place which is very exotic. Okay.
You'll be attracted to it.
We get attracted to it.
You'll be attracted, and then you get addicted.
Yeah.
Because it's a different vibe, and it is a different vibe. I went to this Osho place, Osho Ashram in Pune. You know, when he fled from the US, तो इधर आया था. I don't remember which decade, but I think I might be wrong. So it's huge. ठीक है? There's this place called Koregaon Park, which you know. वहाँ पे there's these lanes. One of these lanes is Osho का ashram, huge ass ashram, spreads across 2 lanes, and then the 3rd lane has Cyrus Poonawala. So that's the kind of locality and this is huge, lush green garden, बहुत सारा space, and you'd see सुबह Sunday mornings, any morning, you'll see people like lots of people from Europe, Southeast Asia, वो सब लोग ऐसा maroon robes में, they're just walking there, and you can see. Like, I mean, I don't know, but looks like a cult. Right?
It is a cult.
It's
It
like
is a cult.
uniform. Like, even now, when you see it, तुम जा रहे हो regularly or minding your own business,
See,
there's this people popping out.
If
It's
I
very
am a
interesting.
person, if I am a person who is able to convince, let's say, hundreds and thousands of people that whatever I say is correct, and you need to follow it, ठीक है? It's basically that. It's basically giving. They are like a dictator, ठीक है? Forming their own empire. Slowly, and there's a regular cash flow, like पूरा cash flow चल रहा है, business बढ़ खड़ा कर दिया है.
Which is why would anybody gonna stop? वो चल रहा है.
चल रहा है.
But it's so bizarre. मेरे को इधर fit ही नहीं होता. Like I can't wrap my head around the idea of throwing. Like God is one thing, यार. मैं religion, God is one thing. I understand that.
Like you have your own beliefs, right?
And it's been religion and God has
You
been.
should be able to identify between a human.
Yeah, that's been going on for a long time.
I have had a similar kind of experience. Okay, so basically, when I was in class 8.
Story time.
Yeah.
Boy got raped.
Yuck.
So when I was in class 8, so there was an institution that was formed, जो 3-4 साल से काम कर रहा था. A lot of my seniors, men, boys who have studied in the institution, and like the institution promised that if you follow our rules, then you are definitely getting into a very good institute like IIT, NIT or BITS. Promise, like, and it is basically that. They'll take the cream layer of the city, okay? They'll train them for IIT, NIT and BITS, and they will, all the students used to get 30 लोग को लेता था 11th 12th में, ठीक है? And सबको निकाल के देता था.
But they used to worship someone, or it was just like
no. So let me complete. So basically, they are part of ISKCON, ठीक है? And all this IITians who got inspired by ISKCON, they came up and they were like, we will teach you for, like, where the 11th 12th ka fees is around 2 lakh 3 lakh rupees in come to Vizag, dude, you'll find these kind of institutions, okay? Like 2 lakh 1.5 lakh रुपए लोग खर्चा कर रहे हैं, we will do it for 60,000 rupees. 30,000 first year, 30,000 second year, we don't want anything, we'll give you all the material. And they will teach good, they were very good teachers, okay? But they had rules. So the first rule was, you will never talk to any girls. And only boys can get into the institution.
So you never talk as in.
Never talk.
In your life.
In your life, you should not talk to girls.
So you had female teachers.
No, only male teachers. Only
Sausage party.
पूरा sausage party था मैं वहाँ पे, ठीक है. So मतलब a lot of my friends, like, we wrote an exam, ठीक है. And out of like 5,000 people in boys in Visakhapatnam, like 60 people were selected for 9th and 10th का training, ठीक है. And we were like trained, we were giving exams, competitive exams, we used to get ranks and everything. But the rule was कि first rule, you will, as if you are a part of that institution, you will not talk to girls. So as a result, when I got selected, I actually had to break up with my girlfriend. उतना मतलब दिमाग में था, parents तो बोल रहे नहीं, वो इस जगह जाना है, this जगह will like give you ये, give you that. ठीक है, and I broke up with my girlfriend. Okay.
यार शांति से सेक्स कर लेता.
Class 8 पे था.
शांति से? Who शांति who?
I know who शांति.
You have to cut your hair like इतना छोटा. You cannot eat non-veg. You are not supposed to eat non-veg. ठीक है.
So it's a choice.
No, it's not a choice. It's like you're not
That's what
supposed
they
to.
recommend.
हाँ, they recommend and they manipulate you. Okay. तुम क्लास के अंदर जाओगे पहला
I
चीज
can't
होगा
imagine anybody manipulating Swapnil into
Yeah.
not talking to her.
No, but they did. I broke up with my girlfriend, dude. I mean, imagine.
He could have been married.
Don't know about you, but that chick is definitely like Babaji.
And so हम लोग क्लास के अंदर जाएगा तो we used to start with prayers and then क्लास के end के बाद we'll have prayers, we'll take prasad, we'll serve prasad to poor people. It's, I mean, good culture. I mean, it's not bad per se, but and I remember, so there used to come this Baba, they used to follow, who is a part of ISKCON, ठीक है, and he used to come and every year he will come, huge ass auditorium में मतलब पूरा he'll start preaching श्लोकास वगैरह, ठीक है. एंड उसका स्लोगन भी बहुत फन थे, ठीक है. वो संस्कृत में बोल रहा है, ठीक है, बीच में हारमोनियम बजा रहा है, ठीक है, संस्कृत में बोल रहा है, कम ऑन गाइस. ओह गॉड,
भाई अपने डीजे बनने के ड्रीम्स वो फॉलो कर रहा है.
precisely. And but I think I'm glad I did not get selected to 11th and 12th because right now a lot of my friends, you know, they who actually went ahead and studied 11th and 12th, IIT Madras, IIT Delhi, पूरा IITians है, ठीक है, but they're depressed in life. They do not have any, you know, street smart skills. They're always into books and they're मतलब पूरा they can't even talk to, they can't even socialize properly, which is why they are depressed.
With a woman.
With a woman or with a man also, like per se, ठीक है.
So basically, all of this made them probably
Lonely.
Mildly genius, but also socially awkward.
Exactly.
Like
I have a story about this non-veg thing.
story time.
Story time.
Story time. So I used to eat non-veg a lot. Like
You don't now?
I don't. भाई मेरा प्रोटीन इनटेक इतना था, मैं 5-6 अंडे खाती थी दिन के, ऊपर से व्हाटएवर नॉनवेज जो बना है वो. So I joined a karate class. I was very much into extracurriculars.
बच के रहना.
ग्रीन बेल्ट तक किया.
Influenza हूँ, हाँ.
कोई
तो
छुएगा.
shame पहले shame करेगी, फिर कराटे.
फिर बोला you don't follow my podcast.
Kill Bill boots right.
मैंने 4 लेवल्स किए थे एंड फर्स्ट लेवल में व्हेन यू गो they don't isolate you or don't tell you stuff, they're just teaching you karate. And then I went on the second belt मिला मेरे को, then they would start taking these separate classes and कुछ नहीं उसमें सेम सिखाते थे, but they would ask you to meditate, कि keep yourself calm, ये वो, and धीरे धीरे they started introducing like teachings of guess who.
No guesses.
No, wait, let me guess. नित्या करके कोई था ना?
No, आसाराम बापू.
Oh fuck, that rapist.
My man Bapu.
तो they introduced and then they were like, guys, don't eat non-veg, उनको दर्द होता है when you cut them, blah blah blah. And then I was like, okay fine, like I have to follow this because I was a very, क्या बोलते हैं, good student. तो I went home and I बोला मॉम मैं नहीं खाऊंगी नॉनवेज आज से बिकॉज सर ने बोला है. मॉम ने चमाट मार के बोला चुपचाप खा करके, तो तभी तो मैंने कम कर दिया था. बट आफ्टर like 2 years into it, I completely stopped because they would take us to these tournaments, karate का competitions वगैरह होता था, and it was under the name of, we used to think it was under the name of judo, but भाई it was his आसाराम बापू का ये सब होता था, उधर भी श्लोकास ये वो and भाई नॉनवेज मेरे जिंदगी से निकल गया. भैंचोद मेरा प्रोटीन इनटेक, जब मैं 5-6 अंडे खाती थी, अभी मैं कुछ नहीं खाती. I have to like die to have my
Has that effect? Like that.
Impressionable as a child, no? Children, they are impressionable. तुम लोग कुछ भी बोलो and they listen to it. हमको बहुत emotional करते थे. So I used to tell people कि मैंने मेरे grandfather को देखा काटते हुए chicken, which is partially true and that's why also I left. But imagine I don't get influenced easily. As a child, मेरे में वो इतना imprint हुआ कि now I stopped eating. Like I don't eat at all.
It's actually, I mean, I need to admire the ability of these godmen to actually subconsciously influence people in such a way that they start believing every shit what they say. I think the other day you were showing me a video where, you know, the hara chutney, green chutney, what was that about? I mean,
So I was going to get to this. Of course, you can't have a conversation, a podcast about Godman and leave out our guy,
Nirmal-
the OG Nirmal Baba.
Nirmal Baba.
Nirmal Baba.
Weirdest fucking person.
okay.
Like बाकी लोग क्या करते हैं, ठीक है, उनका ideology, but they seem sane when they're talking shit. ठीक है ना, मतलब बाबा लोग
सद्गुरु,
generally तुम सुन रहे हो उनको, तुम्हें पता है कि
हाँ.
मतलब inside they're probably a scamster and all, but उधर at least they're talking good shit, like they're, you know, कि हाँ अच्छा करना चाहिए, they're trying to teach you well. ठीक है, this guy, you know what he does? So there's this concept कि उनका meetings होता है, बड़ा huge ass meetings, like the one you're talking about in that film also. उसमें भी यही होता है concept, like there's this huge ceremony where there's people, hundreds of people attending it, and there's this one guy on the podium doing shit, and speaking. ठीक है, तो goes by the name Nirmal Baba. I think उसका कुछ और नाम है, of course. What he does is, so his method is great. I can't believe you guys haven't, like, you know.
I haven't. Might have
That's amazing.
seen him.
You should. ठीक है, अभी Google करना है इसके बाद. It'll be all over you. So what he does is, people will come there with their problems. Like, बाबा ये चीज़ नहीं आ रही है, मैं अच्छा कर रहा था लाइफ में, पर प्रमोशन नहीं हो रहा है. There is a huge thing for middle class people, right? Like, it's a huge subject. Promotion, या success, money. ठीक है. What he does is, he's like, okay, तुम लोग क्या खाते हो? Snacks में क्या खाते हो? Like, समोसा खाते हैं. And I'm not shitting you, ठीक है? This is exactly what he says. पूरा film हो रहा है, channels पे आ रहा है, live coverage, and all of this is happening as well. Like, मैं समोसा खाता हूँ. Like, उधर ही कृपा रुकी हुई है. And this is like
No.
proper statement that he gives. It's very famous. तुम डालोगे, if you Google कृपा रुकी हुई है, this is the first face you get.
भैंचो चटनी से
Not even chutney. I'm saying he said कि समोसा, like नहीं समोसा मत खाओ, कचौड़ी खाओ. अब कचौड़ी बोल दिया किसी ने, तो बोलते हैं कौन सा चटनी खाते हो? तो हरी चटनी.
कृपा
That's
वही
the fucking problem, bro.
तो भाई मैं बोल रही हूँ मैं भैंचो दोनों चटनी खाती हूँ.
For example, तू बोल रही है तू दोनों चटनी खाती है.
हाँ.
क्या बोलेगा? चटनी
कृपा
खा.
कृपा लाल चटनी में ज्यादा है.
कृपा चटनी से रुकी हुई है, अब तू चटनी मत खा. वो ये नहीं पूछता है, वो पहले पूछता है, बताता नहीं है. मतलब he's not, he doesn't act like an अंतर्यामी, but also he does. मतलब मैं तेरे को नहीं बता सकता हूँ, मैं निर्मल बाबा हूँ, I can't tell which chutney you eat, I'll ask you first. और तू जो नहीं खाती होगी ना, कृपा उधर ही होती है.
And people are dumb as fuck.
Yeah,
Most of them
people
are planted. Also वहाँ पे ना they're hysterically moving. All of that shit is also happening. You must be aware. बाकी लोग भी करते हैं.
Yeah.
They're also properly televised. What he also does is बोलता है कि जब मेरा ये when it is getting broadcasted for like an hour or something, a couple hours, I don't know. तभी you open your तिजोरी का दरवाजा, ठीक है? And keep it open for the entirety of the show, because that's where and when Lakshmi ji walks right into your life, because she
Like
needs,
right from the
she
TV.
needs a portal kind of thing, ठीक है?
A portal.
Divine Doctor Strange kind of shit.
I mean,
But
yeah,
भाई,
it's
एक-
kind
Like
of
people
future.
actually used to do it. There was this chemistry teacher, okay, learned person in my 11th standard. ठीक है, shout out ma'am. Marathi also. ठीक है. So she actually there's this thing that people used to tell us. She actually did that. I mean, she was a believer. She used to watch, and a lot of people used to watch. भाई बहुत लोग देखते थे. It was huge, bro. Back in, I guess, 7-8 years back, 10 years back, it was a huge deal. And this
Imagine
guy
the
does.
amount of money. he would have
Imagine
printed,
the
man.
amount of confidence this guy has to go on that stage and say shit like that. मैं बाबा बन जाऊंगा ना तो भी मैं चूतिया ऐसा एकदम सामने पता चल रहा है कि चूतिया बनाना, वो नहीं करूंगा.
But you have to have तुमको अगर बाबा बनना है, I've realized you have to believe in yourself so much. तुमको नार्सिसिस्ट होना है कि भैंचो दैट इज द फर्स्ट कि अगर तुम लोग
कॉन्फिडेंस.
अगर मैं बनी, मैंने बोला ऐसा कुछ और मेरे को मैं अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट हूँ तो लोग बोलेंगे चूतिया है ये भैंचो.
This is also what happens in hypnotism, right? मतलब hypnosis जो करता है, I mean, I've heard this story where there's this guy वो जा रहा है, like quickly I'll just like tell you. एक रोड है सुनसान थोड़ा. He's going to get this is a real person that a guy who knows a guy, ठीक है, वो जा रहा है, खाली रोड है, he's going, somebody calls for help, like मेरा खराब हो गया vehicle, मेरे को वहाँ तक drop कर दो, कहता ठीक है, drop करता है, कहता है कि थोड़ा भूख लग रही है, कुछ खा ले, stop somewhere, काफी सुनसान सड़क, starts having a conversation with this guy, वो खा के आसपास ऐसे ही बात कर रहे हैं, like थोड़ी देर चिट चैट करते हैं, फिर निकलेंगे, वो बात कर रहा है, he influences him, slowly starts building confidence, ठीक है, takes him into his confidence, and next thing he knows, this guy tells me, next thing I know is, I do not have my shirt on, and my vehicle, and my batua, and I don't know about phone, but I think he spared that, and he's off. So basically what he did was, he started talking to him, और वो इतना believe, मतलब I don't know, he believed him so much, took him like under his, you know, influence.
But you think that happens?
That happens.
Yeah, that
fine.
happens.
I mean,
Because
लोग बोलते हैं ना,
the process is
you,
real.
I mean, it is real, but in this way. It's not like a superpower that people have.
Pendulum
but also
लेके
a superpower that people
ओ
have. That kind of thing. I mean, मैं बहुत confident हूँ, and you're somebody who's kind of submissive, who'll believe what I say, right? तो मैं बातें करने लग जाऊँगा, they'll interest you, but then you'll say, okay, and I'll tell you my experiences through which, जैसे आते हैं ना लोग बोलते हैं, I've been there, that's a great place, and then people listen to them, like, oh, so that's what happens, that's what he did, and I was like shocked because that was the first story I heard. I never used to believe in this shit, कि नहीं होता. Then he told me कि you just do not know, I have no recollection of how he did that. The next thing he knows is, he does not have his money, he does not have his fucking vehicle. Like, bro. So, that's how they do. I mean, that's humanly possible.
There is this another Baba, Nityanand.
Oh, bro.
बहन के लौड़े ने कंट्री बना दिया है अपना. He has a fucking country of his own, currency.
He's trying to get it.
राम का फिगर है ना, कोई करेंसी में. I saw.
Include करवाने वाला था वो.
I mean, how do?
Imagine the amount of पैसा.
Include नहीं, he had the audacity to send a advocate from his country UN में कि भाई pitch कर मेरे country को.
करवाने का वो चल रहा था उसका. I mean.
No, I mean, so basically it's again like if I did this again. If I'm a person who is able to get into subconsciousness and able to make you believe that I am what you need, I am what you need to have in your life for your life to get
to be
Better.
prosperous, then I'm a Baba.
So
and
you
if I'm doing it into 10,000, into 20,000, into 1 lakh, into 10 lakh, into 1 crore, I have a huge follower. 1 crore इंसान आ गए तो मैं देश बना सकता है. Canada population 7 crore है.
If people are willing to listen.
You think therapists can become good godmen?
I think anybody with a very good confidence and a good, understanding of how the human brain works and how people.
How the human brain works on religion, particularly.
Religion से ज़्यादा, I think this is more of fear mongering.
नहीं. It's more
about that.
It's more of tapping into the hope and faith of people. So why?
नहीं, but like for example, ये चटनी वाला तू बोल रहा था, it's very harmless, right? मतलब tomorrow if I am Nirmal Baba, you come to me, I'll be like, तू रेड चटनी नहीं खाए तो मैं ऐसा नहीं बोलूँगा कि इट्स नॉट अ बिग थिंग फॉर मी टू लाइक लेट गो ऑफ, या फिर इट्स नॉट अ न्यू चेंज, इट्स समथिंग छोटू कि रेड चटनी नहीं ना ग्रीन खाना है. तो यू थिंक he starts with Nirmal Baba, I was thinking, you think he starts with chutney, then he dives into like builds that trust and dives into like deeper things, into their personal lives कि तू ये मत कर, तू ऐसा मत कर.
See, it might be true for others, but Nirmal Baba एकदम सरफेस पे है. उसको पता है प्रायोरिटी. तेरे को चटनी खाने का है, तेरे को समोसा, वही उसका मतलब उतना ही.
तो कितना
बॉडी ऑफ वर्क है.
बाबा 5 सिगरेट फूकता हूँ, उसको 10 करो. उसी में रुपए वही 5 सिगरेट में कुछ
अभी से बट दिस लीड्स बाबा मेरे को कैंसर होने लगा, खांसी. अरे खांसी होने लगा तो कितना सुट्टा फूकता है? 10 सुट्टा फूकता है. सुट्टा नहीं फूकना था बाबा, आपने ही तो बोला था. बस पैसा दे, हो गया. मतलब it's just a change.
And people are mad.
And they also plan people to come and say कि बाबा आप, मैं लास्ट टाइम आया था, आपने ये बोला था, मैं ठीक हो गया. वो उनका उतना ही काम है. वो they don't come. So there's people who come with their problems. There's also a large portion of people who come कि बाबा आपने बोला था और हो गया as proofs. So now the others are believing. The people who are watching on TV, they are believing.
You know,
Stupid ass people.
हम लोग ये पॉडकास्ट वगैरह क्यों कर रहे हैं? हम लोग गवर्नमेंट बन जाते हैं.
By the way,
ऑरेंज में आइए.
also influencer.
बड़ा.
I'm scared of this girl.
मैं राधे माँ पार्ट 2 बन सकती हूँ.
नहीं, कुछ ओरिजिनल बन तू.
हाँ,
तू संजीदा
बन,
तू
संजीदा बन,
संजीदा से करके
संजीदा the dominatrix.
भाई
Orange is the new black.
no, he said dominatrix. It just reminded me of Radhe Ma.
She does that?
Yeah, you like
Like not the.
not the whip wala shit, but there have been cases of her asking her male what do you say disciples to give her massage, like do private dances with them.
That's smart, no? I mean,
I mean,
if you have that
power-
influence over people, that's.
But she
Why
did-
you have to pay money
Hey,
for why you have to go to Thailand and pay money for a massage?
Exactly.
You go.
But nobody caught her for that. Like, I mean, I'm not comparing, but Asaram Bapu, all these god men, they got convicted for whatever rape charges and whatever. Isko nahi kiya bhai.
Yeah, she's a woman now in our country.
Yeah, but
I think there have been cases.
fraud, tax fraud था उसपे. I don't know. I haven't read about her. Men were not accusing her of touching them.
Why will the man?
भाई इसने लड़कों
ये सब बोलना नहीं.
लड़कों की जात तूने बोल दिया अभी.
Guys, he's speaking for himself.
Yeah, not for Rahul.
I'm telling
It's just Swapnil.
Most men.
I think he
in this
goes to
world-
Radhe Ma.
Shut up, man. Okay, most men out here are fucking desperate. ठीक है. So if somebody is following Radhe Ma and Radhe Ma is touching their balls like this, they'll be getting very happy, man.
भाई forget this. मैंने एक बार मैं कोई तो हाईवे से जा रही थी, बड़ा पोस्टर लगा है भैंचोद, शी लाइक विद हेयर, रेड पहना है, चूड़ा है.
नहीं, no.
I mean, potential.
Some people call her pretty.
Pretty.
Or hot. I don't know.
She has potential. Like if she like does her hair and like good.
She has potential.
भाई वो
उसका trajectory देख, तू इतना टाइम देगी अगर मेकअप पे और जिम में, तो I can picture you.
भाई वो लगाती है पाउडर, आटा लगा के आती है.
वो actually she's like bright as fuck bro. मतलब
लाइट्स का जरूरत नहीं है अपने को, वो बैठेगी इधर तो.
हाँ.
बट
Chlormin का ad आता है उसका
That
face
reminds me of someone from college, you know, right now.
I know exactly what he's talking about.
पर उसका आई हैवंट सीन हर सेइंग दिस शिट कि ये करो वो करो. आई थिंक पीपल आर नेचुरली ड्रॉन टू हर बिकॉज आई डोंट नो एनी अदर गॉड वुमन. वो अकेली है होल्डिंग द फोर्ट.
I mean, नहीं, there's this amazing woman called Sadhvi Pragya. If you know, you don't know.
वो ये करती है क्या वाइट क्लोथ्स पहन के?
Orange as fuck.
Oh,
Remember that case?
there was a case. Yeah.
So basically, she was involved allegedly for the camera. Allegedly, she was involved in a bombing. You don't remember Sadhvi Pragya?
I know,
She
I
was
know.
convicted, but then she fled. Fled nahi. She didn't flee. She was let go. Charges were dropped or something. I don't know. अभी मैं follow नहीं किया, but it was huge. I guess 8-9 के आसपास का case था. 2008 something.
And she was not even that good looking.
Like not like Radha Ma with atta on her face.
Radhe Ma is
Not
not.
like Baba Ram Rahim, you know, curls and all. I mean, वो curl ही नहीं करती है. Effort डालना होता है.
Radhe Ma is like hot amongst them. Like you
Amongst them.
चल जाएगा
So
amongst.
imagine all these babas getting together, being naked and dancing.
He is imagining like
Guys, इसका address है.
90.
इसको मार देना. That will be a warning for us. And shut the fuck up. Talking about divine orgies.
But guys, तुम्हारे फैमिली में था ऐसे? Like did you guys?
No divine
No,
orgies.
But like any of your families followed?
No, so I have a story. I mean, Odisha mein. So I come from Odisha. So there's this Sarthi Baba karke who became very famous. God knows why. I think he did all these magical tricks and everything in front of everyone.
God does know why.
And you know, it was like a societal pressure कि उसको करके उसका preaching देखो उसका ये करो. Dude, it was crazy. I mean, my mom did not like him at first, and then she was like, नहीं सब लोग जा रहे तो कुछ तो है करना पड़ेगा. And he created that societal pressure in front of every fucking body.
भाई शेम करते होंगे. तू सारथी बाबा को फॉलो नहीं करता?
Exactly.
Rings a bell.
And he comes from my village, like where my grandfather.
Represent.
तो वो village तो पूरा जा रहा है. And that's how this takes a political turn as well, because अभी तुम्हारे पास इतना following है. नेता को क्या चाहिए?
votes.
उसके पास
भाई-
क्या है? पैसा.
तो
अभी
अब मैं
ये-
बोलेगा-
अब इधर का चीज उधर हो जाता है. अभी बाबा के पास पैसा आ गया.
अब मैं बोलेगा कि इसको वोट करो, कृपा उसी में है.
एग्जैक्टली. कौन सा पार्टी है? तुझे कौन सा फूल पसंद है बता.
हाँ?
रोज.
नहीं,
वही तो.
But guys, again think of it कि godmen, sages, babas, olden times में they were like you said knowledge बांटते थे. Now it's bloody come to a point where politicians need them for votes. मतलब क्या हो रहा है? It's like I can't comprehend.
It's just money
It's-
and power.
yeah.
Two things, very simple.
But कोई भी उठ के नहीं बन सकता, वो भी है like you need to have that skill. कोई भी उठ के नहीं बन.
Definitely, that's what we were talking about, right? Confidence. सबसे पहले it should come from within कि हाँ मैं कर सकता हूँ. So it comes from ऐसा एकदम. I think it comes right from your childhood also. Like you start talking to people, you know कि हाँ मैं influence कर रहा हूँ. You know, there's this people. एक बंदा बैठेगा, 4 लोग सुन रहे हैं और वो सुनते रहते हैं. You've been in those groups, right? You're either on this side or the other. ठीक है. I think she knows where she sits.
Yeah.
तो लोग सुनते हैं. It's a very root level पे like हम अपना कहानी बता रहा है, like very interested, right? अरे nice. Then he starts talking about other things. फिर ऐसी चीजें जो उन्होंने नहीं सुनी है, then like okay, like I don't get this shit from elsewhere. Why don't I just sit here and listen to you? And that's how they start. मतलब ये तो बहुत root level पे. Then they go big. People start, and then religion comes into picture. So
भाई religion जब आता है तभी तो तुम
people stop thinking, sanely and what's it called, like properly. It's like it changes a lot of dynamic.
बट मेरे को नहीं लगता अपना जनरेशन वुड बी लाइक नॉट नन ऑफ अस आर
Like not total ऐसे influenced, but I know a lot of people who think like ठीक है. I don't have a very good opinion, like very ऐसा
Strong
proper opinion of Sadhguru. I've seen his stuff, but I know a lot of people who believe in him totally.
भाई सेव द सॉइल द कैंपेन दैट ही डिड ऑन अ फकिंग बाइक he roped in big names, big influencers, but how much?
You have money, you are able to do it.
Yeah.
If today
Which
I'm a
is-
CEO of a company and I want to promote something, let's say Save the Soil, and I have money to pay influencers, get in big names, I will do it. He is also doing the same.
But these are the influencers who have criticized these godmen in the past. You have their tweets, you have their posts, and suddenly you see few years down the line they are fucking collaborating with these.
No, but Sadhguru is cool, na? It's not like
He is not cool, please. He just talks about sex and then he's like, oh, you should be like this, a woman should be like this. Misogyny disguised in like very woke talks.
But that's not. That's probably 5% of his content, honestly.
But
That's not
that's all you see on Reels. That is all you see on Instagram.
That's your elbow. My elbow.
I mean, whatever I see, he's either talking about marriage, women, sex, and not in a derogatory way, but it's disguised as misogyny. Ki women should be this way, women should be that way.
He's trying to be politically correct also. He knows
How is
exactly
it?
he has to be politically slightly correct. Of course, he has to give on the edge wala opinions. Because boring चीजें बोल के इतना लोग फेमस नहीं हो सकता, right? You have to say something. अभी तेरे को ये नहीं बोला तो तुझे याद भी नहीं होगा Sadhguru, right? मतलब he's there, but because he's saying these powerful, bro, this guy went to Joe Rogan, saw that?
Yeah.
I saw clips of him, so he's talking about all that shit. There's this clip and it's titled "Lost Concept of Heaven" या something of Nirvana, and he's talking about this. So Joe asks him, ki, is there a place? And he's like, profoundly talking about it. There's this place, you reach heaven, all of that shit. He's very well versed with all of it. Uska articulation skills, bro, very good.
So maybe they've researched a bit, not so much to convince people कि whatever I'm saying is not bullshit.
हाँ.
Sort of true.
वो convinced है कि उसको पता है कि नहीं है, पर उसको पता है कैसे convince करना है, क्या-क्या चीजें बोल के.
And these quotes from him and Osho fucking keep circulating on Instagram as like quote of the day.
no, but don't you think that is what they want? So I mean, if you are continuously watching reels or continuously reading something, it gets sets in our subconsciousness. कि भाई ये subconsciousness में अभी आ गया, then I start believing it because my subconsciousness में it has already been. It's like a loop. ठीक
ये
है.
पुराना podcast का crossover.
हाँ.
Smart स्वप्निल.
But I have a question. Like he said कि people are watching these reels, उनका subconscious में fit होके they might even start believing in it. would that happen with like you? If you get these quotes, these reels multiple times, would you be influenced to follow this Baba, or at least like think good about him?
Like me personally, I don't think that's happening to me because I know myself as a person. मतलब to a point, I think होगा. I mean, I might just notice them more because वो तो inevitable. अगर तुम देख रहे हो कुछ they're there. But I'm not getting stuck into it. Not at all. Not a chance.
What about you?
Is there a moment of weakness that you see in the future where you're going to, Baba, take me. Take me.
Yeah.
Take me to Charan. I'll worship you, Baba.
I can go up.
Baba.
येसु करेगा ये.
Historically dancing in place.
Come on, baby.
Come on, sing with me.
तुम्हारे अब्बा छोड़ के गए थे.
No, what would you?
I mean, see, no. I mean, ideally, if I am in control of my own consciousness, no. ठीक है, but the way the world is moving right
That's
now.
a big if.
the way the world is moving right now. I mean, I don't know. I mean, people, governments, and everyone are trying to control our subconsciousness. ठीक है. And
So will you be influenced or not? Is what my question is.
personally, like I said, if I am in control of my subconsciousness, then no.
So he's one of those.
Yeah, मतलब इसका डाइसी है.
Dice.
मेरा तो नहीं होगा. मैंने for me it comes to a point where I am like कि तू है कौन, मतलब सेल्फ हेल्प मेरे को पहले से ही पसंद नहीं है. एंड इफ आई कीप ऑन सीइंग सम कोट्स फ्रॉम अ फकिंग मैन हु इज अलाइव, हु इज नॉट अ व्हाटएवर स्कॉलर, कुछ भी नहीं है, आई विल, माई माइंड विल गेट फक. मेरे को अवर्जन डेवलप होगा, और मेरे को होता है.
I have a question here. What if it's a very genuine, pure soul, good person? He's preaching. So you're averted to preaching and
I am averted to
not
preaching.
Getting influenced.
हाँ, आई एम अवर्टेड टू प्रीचिंग बिकॉज तुम एडवाइस देना एक होता है, और तुम किसी को एक, मेरे लिए वो थेरेपिस्ट है वो लोग, और माई मेंटोर्स. इफ आई वॉन्ट टू फकिंग टेक एडवाइस, आई विल गो टू समबडी हु इज एजुकेटेड इन दैट फील्ड, नॉट अ बाबा हु इज जस्ट टेलिंग मी रैंडम शिट टू ईट, चटनी नहीं खाना है, ये नहीं खाना है. मेरे को बहुत, एंड इट्स अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग अवर्जन. ऐसे भी नहीं कि मैं छोड़ दूंगी, मैं बैक ट्रैक नहीं चाहिए मेरे को. तो आई वुडंट बी एवर वेरी क्लियर. हाँ, आई कांट गिव दैट कंट्रोल ऑफ माई लाइफ और माई ब्रेन और माई थॉट्स टू अनदर ह्यूमन, अ पर्सन हु इज ह्यूमन, नॉट इवन अ गॉड. आई डोंट बिलीव इन गॉड, बट सुपर नेचुरल नहीं है. मेरे पास रीज़न ही नहीं है उसको वो पावर देने का कि यू कंट्रोल माई लाइफ और direct it in such a way. I can't do that.
But therapist, yes.
Therapist, yes.
But this therapist also can become Baba someday, like they just have to wear saffron like her.
यही है यार. Influencer / therapist.
But वो वही है ना कि
/
faith
Rami.
तुम्हारा, मैंने स्टार्टिंग में बोला था पॉडकास्ट के कि तुम्हारा फेथ एक लाइन क्रॉस करेगा, देन इट्स लाइक तुम पागल हो, फिर तुम्हारा कंट्रोल ही नहीं है तुम पे.
पॉइंट ये है कि वो लाइन ना बहुत जल्दी आ जाती है honestly.
एंड इट्स अ प्रोग्रेशन कि तुमको रियलाइज ही नहीं होता. लाइक यू डोंट गो फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर, तुम धीरे 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 एंड लाइक चल ये भी ठीक है, ये भी ठीक है, एंड देन इट कम्स टू अ पॉइंट वेयर यू कांट गो बैक. देन यू नो दीज पीपल किल the people who try to come out of these cults, they kill such people.
There have been incidents.
Yeah, there have been. Nityanand का भी है. He's murdered people because they want. There is a documentary on it called "My Daughter Joined a Cult." She wanted to take her daughters out of this. Killed.
Basically, they're scared कि their secret will.
They are
come
missing
out.
actually, not killed. Those 2 girls are missing.
Missing. Disappear. So basically वही कि अभी तुम जाके दुनिया को बता दोगे इधर क्या चल रहा है. I'm not gonna let that happen because that spoils my whole act. अभी वो image spoil हो गया तो अभी तो it runs like wildfire ना.
Yeah.
मतलब social media पे एक बार हुआ bad PR तो फिर it's also they have to keep their images very clean as hell. क्योंकि
But KRA में rapist आएगा. But KRA में rapist
वो है
fraud है.
पर सही है, good side hustle bro. Like become a baba, good side business. You have to be convinced.
But then at one point there comes a point when it cannot be no longer be side hustle.
Yeah, full time करना पड़ेगा. Main check, yeah. ठीक है, I mean क्या अभी? Let's see.
We can't stop it, but I mean we can have control of ourselves. I don't know about our guy Swapnil here. ये ऐसी है, ये बाबा बनेगी और ये
ये इन्फ्लुएंस होगा
I can see
फिर.
that
मैं
happening.
दरअसल
I'm on the side recording all.
We will see.
we'll see.
We'll see.
Dominatrix.
Dominate.
Yeah, oh, that's Radhe Ma, dude. Like, it was soft
Orange
dominant.
Black.
you black.
The fuck man. But I think जब तक superstition रहेगा ये चलेगा. अच्छा market है. I mean मतलब
Profitable market.
risky है,
Profitable.
high stakes but humongous
Profit.
पैसा
Profit.
म्यूचुअल फंड्स भी तो वैसी है ना.
सही है.
Mutual funds से
इन्वेस्ट गाइस, यही बोलना है.
आदित्य बिरला में इन्वेस्ट करना.
भाई ये तो he keeps name dropping. Last time we name dropped some girl. I had to cut it off.
Some girl. I think this was an interesting
Good
conversation.
discussion, yeah.
हाँ मतलब something we don't really talk about जबकि बहुत ज़्यादा it's
It's very normalized.
Off कर.